The Christmas Pine by Julia Donaldson.
Once upon a time, I stood with brothers and sisters in a wood.
The old trees told me I'd grown from a tiny seed inside a cone.
The whispering wind was a friend of mine. She said that I would grow and shine.
I grew up tall, I grew up high. I grew up until I saw the sky. Then came the day they cut me down and carried me off to a distant town. I travelled far across the sea, and now I am a Christmas tree.
Here I stand in the city square. I stand and shine in the winter air. The lions keep me company, and Nelson keeps an eye on me. And people pass and stop a while. I love to see them gaze and smile.
But more, yes, more than anything, I love to hear the children sing songs of reindeer, songs of snow, reminding me of long ago. Songs of kings who travelled far, and songs of light from a distant star.
I cannot stay forever here. Another tree will come next year.
But think of me when I am gone. Remember how I grew and shone.
And may the children grow and shine like the Christmas pine.